WhatsApp just added a brand new feature that many people still don't know about, and it's called the Add Member Tag feature. This feature lets you show your role inside a WhatsApp group clearly, like admin, moderator, or manager. Let me show you how to use it properly. Before we start, open the Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, and make sure your app is fully updated. If your WhatsApp is not updated, this feature will not appear. Now open WhatsApp and enter any group where you are an admin or have permission to manage group settings. Once the group opens, tap on the group name at the top to open group info. Scroll down slowly and look for a new option called Add Member Tag. Tap on it. Here, you can type any tag you want that represents your role in the group. For example, admin, moderator, helper, or host. After typing the tag, tap on Save. That's it. Your member tag is now active. From now on, everyone in the group will see this tag under your name, making your role clear and avoiding confusion inside the group. This feature is very useful for large groups, business groups, and community chats. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp updates and hidden features.